Hello everybody, I just wanted to make an update video since I have not uploaded anything in months. So I'm getting ready to start producing a few more electronics videos here and there. And I thought I'd start by doing a quick cell phone video of how I bodged together a power adapter for the Canon point-and-shoot camera that I use for doing the teardown videos. This is an old Canon Powershot. It's an SD 4500 IS. It's probably 5 years old now, but it does really good 1080p video. And the biggest advantage of this for the types of videos that I do on this channel is it has really good macro functionality even in video mode. But the problem is Canon never designed it to operate off of an external power source. You can hook it up to USB to transfer files, but it doesn't get power through the USB, which is a real pain in the butt. It was designed to run off of these proprietary battery packs, which I believe the original stock capacity was 800 milliamp hours. This is a Chinese knockoff that claims to be 1200 milliamp hours, but I'm sure it's not. I've never actually tested the capacity of it. As you can imagine, 800 milliamp hours in a camera that's drawing close to an amp doesn't get you very much video time. Sometimes, like using the zoom lens on it, and when it's doing automatic focusing, the current draw on this camera can exceed 1.5 amps to 2 amps. So it draws the battery down pretty quick. So I decided I wanted to build an external power supply for it, or an external power interface. So I took one of these, because you can buy these, a pair of these on Amazon for $10 now. So I had bought a bunch of them to use with the camera, as they, so I could just swap out, but it got really annoying. So I took one and I took it apart, took the lithium cells out, and now this is one thing that the Google Pixel that I'm using does not do very well, which is macro photography. I took the lithium cells out and bridged the power connection in there with some solder to get around the charge controllers, and basically soldered directly onto the contacts that go out to the front of the case there. And then I took a panel out of the bottom of the camera's battery door there, so I could run the wire out. So I'm going to put this all back together here. Now I'm trying to do this one-handed because I don't have anything to hold my cell phone quite yet. I don't have anything to hold anything right now. I don't have a tripod, I don't have and I don't have anything to clamp to my bench. Oops. But that just slips down into the battery compartment. You tug the wires through, close it up. So now that I've got the battery pack back in and secured, we'll power this on so you can see it running off of the external power input here. So right now I just have it hooked up to my custom bench power supply. Excuse Excuse the absolute mess. I'm still cleaning up and getting ready to start producing videos again. This is an Astron 35M linear power supply. It's designed to put out 13.6 volts to run radio equipment. And I've modified it with a buck boost converter inside. And I'll probably post a video slideshow. I didn't make a video of actually doing this mod, and put a couple of banana plugs on the front of it so that I can run my test leads. The inrush current on this thing is incredible. It actually makes all my lights flicker, and my uninterruptible power supply doesn't like it very much. So you can see there I have the set voltage at 4 volts, and the current's limited to 3 amps just so that I don't blow anything up. So we'll run the power on there, and we'll turn on the Canon camera. You can see, just in idle mode, not actually recording anything, the camera draws 700 milliamps of power. And as soon as I start recording, that jumps up to almost an amp. And if I do anything like using the zoom lens, 1.2, 1.3 amps. So, this little camera draws a lot of current. But there it is. It's running off of the bench power supply right now. It's got a couple of alligator clips on the leads. And this is what I'll be doing some more recording with later. Hopefully the first video with this setup will come out on Monday, maybe late Monday, because I gotta wait for the new camera mount to arrive. Unfortunately, I finally found one on Amazon that I liked, that'll do what I want, but I couldn't get it shipped with Sunday delivery, so gonna have to wait till sometime Monday to get it. But that's coming Monday, and the first teardown I'm going to do for you guys with the new setup is this vintage laser pointer from 1987. It is a helium neon tube laser that ran off of 2 9-volt batteries and produced all of 1 milliwatt of laser energy. This is coming up probably Monday evening or Tuesday morning, depending on how long it takes me to edit the video. And I'll have other teardowns, probably some quick ones, hopefully once a week on the weekends when I have time. My job keeps me really busy during the week, and I'm not usually around to record videos. So keep your eyes open on the subscription feed. Click the notification button if you are so inclined to do so. And I would appreciate it if you would share this video and any others that I upload, because that's the only way I'm going to be able to grow this channel, is if you who've already subscribed to me share the videos with your friends so that they can see the interesting things that I have to just take apart and explore and find out how they work. That's all for now.